Hello friends. So in this video I will show you how to convert a normal flash drive into a bootable flash drive, which is also known as pen drive. So here I'm having 16 GB flash drive with me and I'm inserting it into my laptop. You could see the minimized video on the left hand side bottom corner of the screen. Okay, it is inserted now. So as soon as I inserted the flash drive into my laptop, I got a notification on the right hand side bottom corner of the laptop screen. And now I will go to my computer, I mean this PC in Windows 10 and my computer in Windows 7. So this is my flash drive and there is nothing in this flash drive. So before doing this process, I will also recommend you to put the data backup of your flash drive somewhere else and make the flash drive empty, because in this process your flash drive will be formatted before converting it into a bootable flash drive. Okay, so now let's proceed for the next step, and this is Universal USB installer, which is ready to click software. Just you need to click on it and just click on I agree. The next thing, you need to select the operating system. There are a hell lot of operating system of Linux flavor, Debian version, Fedora, whatever. There are many more. You can just have a look on it. But this time I will go and select this option. As you could see, Windows 10 is not available, so I will go with Windows 8, which will help me to make the pen drive bootable for Windows 10 also. So now next step is to select the ISO image of that particular operating system. So I have clicked on browse and I am just going to that particular location where my ISO image is available in the computer. So this is the location. I'm having many more collection of operating system. As you could see, the collection of my ISO image. So here it is. I will select it and then I will click on open, or you can just double click on the selected operating system and go ahead with that. So okay, it's done. Now it is selected, and next step, here you could see one check mark box is there, checkbox is there. If you will select that box, you will get all the drive options in your computer, as well as your removable media will be displayed there. Better to untick that, so you will have only the removable device displaying in the drop down. And now you will get the format option. If you want to format that device before making it bootable, you can just check out that option. But better to keep the backup of that particular pen drive which you are going to make bootable. Don't keep any data in this. This is my recommendation. This software is giving you this facility. Another software will not give you this facility. So now you need to click on next, and here you will get this prompt and click on yes. So this is the first prompt. It is just formatting the drive and preparing it for like copying the files from the ISO image. And then further you will get this pop-up window which will start working for you. So from here, no need to worry until that green things filled up to the very right side of this bar. And in the meanwhile, you could go and grab a cup of tea or coffee for your mind refreshment, but not in this video because I'm going to fast forward this part to save the time. Okay, I'm doing that. So it is started and it took 18 minutes to complete this process. And right now it is getting fast forwarded with the speed of 10 times the normal speed of this video. So still it is taking some time. You need to wait and watch until it completes. So anyway, this depends upon the image size also, the ISO image size also. So this ISO image size is of 3.5 GB. So that's why it will take that much time. So if you are going to install any small image size, like let's say the Linux operating system, the Ubuntu operating system, it is of 6 or 700 MB. So it will be completed in like 5 to 10 minutes. That is more than enough for that operating system. But here it is taking some time. So we need to wait until this green thing fills up the complete bar. Anyway, it is about to complete. And one more thing I would like to add in the meanwhile, if you require the ISO image file, what is available with me, as you have seen my collection, so you could just comment below and I will just try to make every possible thing so that I can like share that particular operating system with you people. So you can see it is completed now. And now this window will be disappeared. So you can see this window will process something and then you will get a message on the top of that green bar. Installation done, process is completed. And now you could go ahead and click on close option. So because this part is done. So now I will go ahead and check the flash drive. So here are the contents. It is an expanded form. So right now this pen drive became a bootable pen drive or the flash drive, whatever you want to say. I'm just ejecting it from my computer. So now time to test the pen drive, whether it is working or not. So I will just reboot my system and I will try the same thing in this system, whether it is detecting the pen drive as a bootable media or not. So we will try this now only. And this screen feed will be switched off because I'm going to restart my laptop. And this is my camera feed. As you could see, pen drive is inserted in this laptop. So further, I will go ahead and just reboot my system. So here are the option and I will just click on restart option. Okay. And you need to be very quick at this point of time. As soon as this screen goes down, you need to press F12 key in a repeated manner. So as you could see, flash drive is already connected to my computer, but if it didn't work, you can just remove it and reinsert it to the particular USB port. So now I will press F12 key before this logo appears, that BIOS logo appears. So this is the F12 key which I have pressed in a tapping manner. So you need to tap, 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 means press the F12 key repeatedly. So then you will get this boot manager option where your removable media will be detected as bootable media. So if it is not detecting as bootable media, you can remove the pen drive from the port and reinsert it and press Alt Control Delete to restart the laptop and do the same thing again, like pressing F12 key repeatedly. So you could see this USB HDD SanDisk Cruiser Blade. Now you hit enter after selecting this with up and down navigation key on the keyboard and hit enter. As soon as you will hit enter on the keyboard, you will get this screen. So now the OS is getting loaded for installation part and it will take some time to load the bootable media. So now it is getting loaded and you will get this blue screen in front of you having these options like language and the keyboard options and etc etc. Just you need to click on next if you want to keep this changes as default. Now click on install now. So now you will get this screen setup is starting. You need to wait until the next screen appears. Here is the license agreement part. Just check the box and click on next. And now you click on custom. And here is all the drive whatever I'm having in my laptop. So these drives are having data, which is very important for me. So now I will abort this installation part. But for the time being, this pen drive or the flash drive is tested. So I am showing it again. I am pressing F12 key repeatedly before that BIOS logo appeared. And this is the flash drive which got detected as bootable media. So this pen drive is now bootable pen drive or the flash drive, which is loaded with Windows 10 operating system. Like this, you can convert any pen drive to bootable pen drive or the flash drive. So in case this video helped you, please do like this video, share this video to other needy peoples who are still searching for this option, and subscribe my channel for the latest update. And do not forget to click the bell icon for getting a quick notification on your mobile phone. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.